Utrisha N is easily used with your existing spray equipment. First, make sure your water is good quality, with a pH range between 5 and 8. Because Utrisha N contains live bacteria, be mindful of chlorine. Water should contain less than 1 part per million. Chlorine is normally present in town or scheme water or can carry over from some boom decontamination products. Take the appropriate action to avoid this occurring. Use an alternative water source, ensure your tank, boom and lines are properly flushed out, and check the products you are using. For the same reason, do not apply Utrisha N within 7 days of a copper application, either before or after. When mixing, use the entire pack and apply with sufficient water per hectare to ensure good coverage to a healthy, actively growing crop. First, half fill the tank with non-chlorinated and neutral pH water and begin agitation. Add in this order: wettable powders or dry flowables, soluble concentrates or liquid flowables, capsule suspensions or suspension emulsions, emulsifiable concentrates, soluble liquids, other adjuvants. Pre-mix Utrisha N into a slurry before adding to the spray tank. Top off with liquid carrier and spray immediately. For optimum results, spray in the early morning when more stomata tend to be open and in temperatures between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius. Mild temperatures accelerate colonisation, while extreme temperatures delay or prevent it. Utrisha N is rain fast after an hour. If it does rain within that time, you will need to respray. There is no withholding period. Treated crops can be harvested or grazed at any time. However, you need to be mindful of the withholding period of any tank mix partners. Utrisha N has good compatibility with many tank mix components, but avoid copper fungicides and products with chlorine. There is a compatibility list on our website which we update regularly. If you have any queries on your proposed tank mix, please contact your local Corteva representative.